A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a contentious debate surrounding immigration policy, Secretary of State Marco Rubio has defended the Trump administration's decision to deport U.S. citizen children alongside their undocumented mothers. The situation has sparked outrage as reports reveal that these children, aged 2, 4, and 7, were taken to Honduras without the opportunity to consult with legal counsel. One of the children reportedly suffers from stage 4 cancer, raising serious concerns about their health and access to necessary medication. During an interview on Meet the Press, Rubio stated, "The children went with their mother. Those children are U.S. citizens. They can come back into the United States if there's their father or someone here who wants to assume them." This defense comes despite a U.S. District Judge, Terry Doughty, ordering a hearing on the matter, suggesting that the deportation occurred with no meaningful due process. The National Immigration Project, NIP, which was preparing a habeas corpus petition for the children, criticized the speed and brutality of their deportation, calling it unconscionable. Attorney Aaron A. Baer, representing the family, emphasized that every official involved should be held accountable for this action. In contrast, Border Czar Tom Homan echoed Rubio's sentiments, placing the blame on the mothers for their illegal status and the choices they made regarding their children's deportation. Homan stated, "If you remain in this country illegally and you ignore a judge's order about self-deport, you put your family in that position." He insisted that the administration was actually keeping families together by allowing parents to take their children with them during deportation. However, critics argue that the process was rushed and lacked transparency, as the mothers were not given adequate opportunity to communicate with their co-parents or consider alternative arrangements for their children. Gracie Willis, an attorney with the NIP, highlighted the grave concerns about ICE's actions, suggesting that they had been given tacit approval to detain and deport U.S. citizen children, despite the existence of willing caregivers in the U.S. A spokesperson for the Department of Homeland Security defended the actions taken, stating that it is common for parents facing deportation to wish to leave with their children. The administration's stance on the deportation of U.S. citizen children has raised significant ethical and legal questions, with many advocating for a re-evaluation of policies that affect families in such dire circumstances. As the situation develops, the impact on these children and their families remains a pressing concern, drawing attention to the broader implications of immigration enforcement practices in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.